Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
McQueen's the winner. Francesco's second, and they have no idea what happened behind them.
This is impossible.
That's what I'm talking about. Ka-chow!
Wow, Tormentor. Yeah.
I'm dead.
Whoa, Dr. Feelbad. Yeah.
Your next stop is the hospital. Whoa!
Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
Oh, that's gotta hurt.
Oh, this is Red. Wow.
Oh, Red, you missed a spot. See it right there in the hood,
No,
right
no.
there.
Oh, who is that?
Whoa! Look at you.
Brand new and ready to roll.
Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen. Wow, Dynamic King.
You know then?
Ah, this grumpy old race car I know once told me something.
This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Who is that? Tomater! Wow!
Huh. Should we maybe do something, you think? Wee-hoo! I'm ready.
Cool! Chick Hicks! Yeah! This is Danica Lightning McQueen. Wow, Francesco!
Here comes the dirt.
Oh, boy!
Francesco, folks, Francesco's lead is left in the dust.
Who is that? Tomater!
Be advised, explosive situation. Rescue squad Mater, we're counting on you.
Handful! I'm on it.
Oh, this is Serge! Yeah!
Kiss the pavement goodbye, gentlemen. When I'm finished with you, you'll have mud in places you didn't know you had. Go, 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 go! Go!
Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. This is Sheriff. Yeah. Whoa, Fillmore. Wow. Whoa, this is Finn. Yeah. This is Doc Hudson. Yeah. Oh, this is Serge. Yeah. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Who is that? Sally. Haha. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Who is that? Tomato. Wow. Wow, Tormentor. Yeah. This is Lightning McQueen. Wow. This is Lightning McQueen. Wow.
I'm done. Look, I'm finished. Just say thank you and I'll be on my way. That's all you gotta say.
Whoa, this is Finn. Yeah.
Hold on!
Who is that? Sally. Haha.
Why don't we just take a drive?
Nah.
This is Doc Hudson. Yeah. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
Ready, buddy?
Ready?
All right, Dan. Get her done.
Oh, this is Serge. Yeah.
To St. Louis, a Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty.
This is Sheriff. Yeah.
Defendant has no lawyer. The court will assign one to him.
This is Justin Marshall. Yeah.
You was worried about me, wasn't you? Huh?
This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
Ciao. You're gonna fit right in California.
Whoa, Fillmore. Wow.
There's a lot of love out there, you know, man.
Don't embarrass me, Fillmore.
This is Frightening McQueen. Wow.
I'm done. Look, I'm finished. Just say thank you and I'll be on my way. That's all you gotta say.
Woo-hoo! I'm the first one on the new road.
Wow, Tormentor. Yeah.
Me be jamming now, man.
1, 2, 3. A winner.
Who'll be jamming now?
Who is that? Tomater. Wow.